Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I've been doing my stay at home makeup. So it's gonna be super easy and very fast, and if you want to know how I'm going to be achieving that, please keep on watching this video and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and share. Thank you so much, and let's get started. So I'm going to start off with my primer. I'm using the Kiss Beauty Primer Base. And next step is my foundation. I'm using the Milani Total Coverage Foundation. I'm going to apply that on my face and use my beauty blender to blend it out. Now I'm going to highlight my face. I'm using the Elegant Pro Concealer. I'm just gonna apply that under my eyes, on my forehead and my jaw. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty blender to blend it out. Next, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. I'm using the Sleek Makeup Brow Kit. Not going to wear any false lashes. I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara to define my eyes, and that will be all. So this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to share and like. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.